everyone. So today we're going to talk about some forms of visual deceptions in our real life. So tell me if you have any idea to talk.
Maybe I think you will be the first talk. Okay.
Okay. Phuoc, you will be the last person.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I will talk about deception in visual deception in art and architecture. I will share the screen just so fast.
Okay.
Okay, so if we see in the screen, we can see that the visual illusion, the showroom of the ceramic tiles and the decorative tiles of the company Casa Ceramica based in Manchester, England, makes many people surprised and excited. You can see that with the new idea of tiling tiles outside the corridor, according to the popular mechanics, you can see when at first, if we walk through the corridor words very carefully, and then we went through, we can easily realize that it's just a visual effect, and the wall street is straight. It's a flat one. It's just a visual effect that deceives the eyes of viewers. Okay, the next slide we talk about this. This is the famous image was doubled.
Wow.
This is the cafe moral illusion by the psychologist Richard Chigori in 1970s. The classic types of optical illusion dates back to the late 1800s years. You probably find it black and white, just black and white only. But when you see they are parallel, they are parallelized black and white color in the course of this phenomenon. Okay, and the next one I want to talk is about art. Okay, as you can see, this picture is in the shape of same colors that's closer together. They put a lot of similar color together was a popular trend in design through the area of flat area design. If you look closely, you will notice a virtual shadow between two colors that contrasting color range. This illusion is called the March band illusion. Really, the image should not add any shadows. It's just the ways of our eyes only. They don't make any shadows. But when we see, we can see a lot of shadows.
Feel
Okay.
shadow?
Yes. Okay, and the next one. Nowadays, a lot of logo with the lines or a background image containing many tiny dots like this. Many tiny lines that move and you can drop up and down. And this is really popular in design and art nowadays also. So that's all information I want to share. So I think it's your turn. Nguyen.
Okay. So
Wow.
I
That's
am
just amazing information.
and this picture is called a pink spot. The image consists of light pink dot arranged in a cycle with a cross in the center on the gray background. But if you focus only on the cross, the pink spot will disappear, leaving a gray rectangle. This is also known as the phenomenon of closer fading, discovered in 1804 by Swiss physical Aya Paul Vital Troller. When the human eye is focused on a point, we tend to keep our gaze stationary, direct to the black cross, and maybe this pink box at present, but not enough to simulate the nerve cells to maintain the image. So we will review disappear. Okay, and for the next picture. Next picture.
Cái gì thì cắt đoạn này cho.
The next picture is Henry illusion. Do you see the two red lines apparent? In fact, these two red lines are parallel to each other. Although our brain is opposed, it is both shaped like structure our vision, and giving our eyes the feeling that we are heading towards a central point. In other words, our eyes are looking at the radiation lines in depth, reaching the impressions that we are moving cause two parallel lines to paint the curved image of two lines is what the brain what the two lines should look like when the eye vision is following the direction of spot toward the center points. The brain thinks that center of two right lines will filtered and the distance between the two right lines is wider than the center. It only happens in just 1/10 of a second. The next illusion appears due to the challenge in the view angle, contrast in color distance, and arrangement of objects. This tiny illusion is named after the German physical Herring, and that's on.
Thank you.
Wow.
Your turn.
So all of your information were impressive to me, but I also have a few form of the visual deception in the real life. The first one is a snake. Can you see the picture in here?
Yes.
I will tell you about a little bit about this one. They made a poll inspired by the famous spinning snake illusion of Japanese psychologist Professor Akiyuki Kitaka in 2003. When you look at the image above, you will see the circles seem to be moving, but are real. Make them stand still. Interestingly, when you look at the part of the photo without moving or blinking, that back stops spinning, while the circle out of your field of vision continue to move. Previous studies have suggested that this illusion is triggered by slow eye movement. When you look at the picture, but in 2012, neuroscientist Susan Martins proved the opposite. That's because the gaze move quickly. And about the second picture of me is a cat. The photo of the cat working on the stair when that viral on the web caused controversy in 2015. The strange thing here is when you look at in the photo, one would think the cats were climbing on the river. 100% confirmed the cat going down. The people who gave the answer on have their own arguments and use their knowledge of construction, architecture, and biology to defend their point of view, and the controversy became more and more fierce. Cat's owner assert that the cat is going down because only when it's going down will cat's tail stand up like that. And if you look closely, the cat's eye will focus on the ground, and the cat's above is going down step by step.
Wow. Yeah.
Okay, it's really amazing.
Thank you. From the beginning, I see this picture. I thought it's climbing. It's not going down.
Same idea.
Okay, so I will close the topic here and submit this video.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for your information.
Okay. Trời ơi, mấy cái hình nó nhức mắt kinh khủng luôn á. Tới hình của Phước cái chị